Robots do not learn like humans. They do not have emotions, instincts, or natural intelligence. Instead, they learn through data, algorithms, sensors, and continuous feedback. There are three main ways a robot learns. First, rule-based programming. In this traditional method, engineers write exact instructions. For example, move forward 10 centimeters, turn left 90 degrees, pick up an object. Factory robots used by companies like Toyota follow these fixed instructions precisely. However, if something unexpected happens, they cannot adapt easily. Second, machine learning. This is where robots become intelligent. Instead of following fixed rules, they learn from data. Robots collect information using cameras, microphones, touch sensors, and lidar. For example, self-driving cars from Tesla collect millions of hours of driving data. Engineers then train artificial intelligence models using neural networks and deep learning. Organizations like OpenAI and Google DeepMind develop advanced AI systems that help robots understand images, speech, and movement. The robot analyzes patterns in the data. It learns to recognize objects, detect humans, and make decisions. Third, reinforcement learning. This is learning through trial and error. The robot is given a goal, such as walking without falling or picking up an object carefully. If it succeeds, it receives a reward. If it fails, it receives a penalty. Over thousands or even millions of attempts, the robot improves. Robots developed by Boston Dynamics use reinforcement learning to achieve incredible balance, jumping, and movement abilities. Inside every learning robot, there are three main components: sensors, which act like eyes and ears; a processing unit, which acts like the brain; and algorithms, which act like intelligence. The learning cycle is simple but powerful. Sense the environment. Process the data. Decide in action. Act. Receive feedback. Improve. This cycle repeats continuously. Modern humanoid robots developed by companies like Figure AI combine computer vision, reinforcement learning, and large AI models to perform complex tasks. The future of robotics is driven by cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and continuous self-improvement. In simple words, robots learn through data, mathematics, computation, and feedback. Not emotion, not instinct, but intelligent design and powerful algorithms. The age of intelligent machines has already begun.